What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my second channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys 4 different ways you can lace and style the Air Jordan 11 Breds. When you get them, they come factory lace like this, which looks, it looks kind of cool. It's alright, but there's so many different ways you can lace them and style them. So I thought, why not, show you guys different ways to style them and what they look like on feet as well. Also, in my next video, I'm going to show you guys how you can prevent creases in them, because look how nice they look when you get them, and like anybody trying to crease them. So make sure you stay tuned for that video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe down below for more videos from me, and if you do enjoy this video, if you do find it helpful, make sure to leave a like. So yeah, let's get into the video. So getting straight into it then, I've got both shoes on because, I think it's much easier to lace your shoes sort of whilst they're on your feet. So first thing I'm going to do is unlace both of the shoes. Now that both shoes are completely unlaced, we're ready to go ahead and get into the first lacing style. So first thing you're going to want to do is take your lace and thread it through the 2 bottom holes. Just like that. And then to make sure that the laces are the same length on either side, you're going to want to hold them at the very top, pull up on the bottom part, and then pull up from the very top. Now as you can see, they're the same length on either side, so we're ready to go ahead and start lacing the shoes up. So the next thing you're going to want to do is take the outside lace and thread it through the second hole up on the inside, like that, and then take the inside lace and thread it through the second hole up on the outside. Now when you do this, you don't want to pull the laces super tight because that's just not it. So you want to leave the laces slightly loose, and you're just repeating that process going all the way up the shoe up until the second from the top hole. So next thing you're going to want to do is take the outside lace and thread it through the third hole up on the inside, and then take the inside lace and thread it through the third hole up on the outside, and then outside through the inside, and then inside through the outside, and then outside through the inside, and then inside through the second from the very top hole on the outside, just like that. So next thing you're going to want to do is just take your thumbs and just pull on the sides of the shoe like that to loosen the laces off, and then you want to do a bunny ear knot. Just like that, and that is the first lacing style. I think they look pretty sick like this, pretty comfortable. And yeah, now I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like on the second shoe. First thing you're going to want to do is take your lace and thread it through the 2 bottom holes. Just like that. And then to make sure that the laces are the same length on either side, you want to hold them at the very top, pull up on the bottom part, and then pull up. Now as you can see, they're the same length on either side. So next thing you're going to want to do is take the outside lace and thread it through the second hole up on the inside, like that, and then take the inside lace and thread it through the second hole up on the outside, and then outside to inside, and then inside through the outside hole, just like that. And basically we're just repeating that process going all the way up to the second from the very top hole. So next thing you're going to want to do is take the outside lace and thread it through the 4th hole up on the inside, and then the inside through the outside, and then outside through the inside, and then inside through the outside, just like that. And then you want to use your thumbs and pull on the sides of the shoes to loosen the laces, and then do a bunny ear knot. Just like that. And this is the first lacing style. I think they look pretty sick like this. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you what they look like on feet. So getting into the second lacing style then, this lacing style is much looser than the first lacing style, so you know, the shoes are more easier to get on and off, and yeah, I think they look pretty sick like this. So all you're going to want to do is take the outside lace and thread it through the very top hole, just like that, and then take the inside lace and thread it through the very top hole on the other side of the shoe, just like that. And yeah, the laces are just going to hang over the edge. If you want to loosen the laces off more, you can do, it's completely up to you. And yeah, this is like the loose lace look, and you know, I think it looks pretty cool like this. Now if I show you how to do it on the other shoe as well, so you just want to go ahead and take the outside lace, thread it through the very top hole on the inside, just like that, and then take the inside lace and thread it through the very top hole on the outside. And yeah, that is the second lacing style then. I think it looks pretty cool like this. This is how I would usually wear them, because you know, typically I don't lace my shoes up because I don't know, I'm a bit lazy, and I think it looks better that way. So this is the second lacing style. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you what they look like on feet. Getting into the third lacing style then, this style's going to be, you know, more like a smarter look I guess. So if you're trying to wear them to your wedding, then maybe this could be the style for you. Okay, let's just get into it. Start with this shoe first. All you're going to want to do is slightly tighten the laces. They're going to be laced all the way up, even through the very top hole, and then you just want to do a bunny ear knot. Just like that. If I show you on the other shoe as well, just like that. So yeah, I think they look pretty cool like this. This is how I usually wear them. I usually wear my concourse like this when I play basketball, and yeah, I think it looks pretty good like this. This is the third lacing style. Now I'm going to show you what they look like on feet. Getting into the fourth lacing style then, this is called the factory lace look. So if we start with this shoe first, you only want the shoes laced up to the second from the very top hole, just like that. And all you're going to want to do is loosen the laces off, and then use your thumbs to loosen them even more, and then we're going to do a factory knot. So you want to take your finger, take it down to the very bottom part of the laces, then take your two fingers and your thumb, wrap the laces around your two fingers, and then tuck the laces through the hole. Just like that. And that is the factory lace knot. If I show you on the other shoe as well. So once again, you only want the laces laced up to the second from the very top hole. You want to loosen them off a little bit, and then do a factory lace knot. So take your two fingers and your thumb, wrap the laces around your two fingers, and then tuck the lace up through the hole, just like that. And that is the factory lace knot. That was the fourth lacing style then. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you what they look like on feet. Also, make sure to let me know which lacing style was your favourite. Was it 1? Was it 2? Was it 3? Was it 4? Make sure to let me know in the comment section down below. Okay, let's get into the on feet then. So that was 4 different ways you can lace and style your Air Jordan 11 Breds. Make sure to let me know what your favourite lacing style was. Was it 1, 2, 3 or 4? Personally, I pretty much always wear them style number 2 because like bro, like they're just like so easy to slip on and off that way, and it's pretty comfortable unless I'm playing basketball, and then it's number 3. But yeah, make sure to let me know what your favourite lacing style was. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like, and if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. I'm out. Peace.